The tool brands you trust have been robbing you in broad daylight. And today, 15 gadgets are about to expose every single one of them. Your wallet called. It wants its money back. Number 1. You want to find hidden faults, overloaded circuits, and failing components before they burn your job site down? This is your weapon. The UTI-260B delivers 256 by 192 IR resolution with 49,152 pixels of thermal detail sharp enough to make a $3,000 FLIR feel embarrassed. 7 color palettes, a silky 25 Hz refresh rate, and a macro lens that gets you up close without losing image quality. This camera sees what your eyes physically cannot. IP65 rated, 2-meter drop proof, and built for real job sites, not lab shelves. Thermal cameras used to be a luxury. The UNI-T just made them a necessity. Number 2. Put the Fluke down. I'm serious. Just put it down for 1 second. The UT890C measures AC, DC voltage, current, capacitance, temperature, HFE, diode, and continuity with true RMS accuracy and a 6,000 count display that doesn't lie. NCV detection is fast, responsive, and keeps you safe before your hands go anywhere near a live circuit. The build is solid, the dial is tight, and the readings match what a meter 3 times the price would show you. Fluke has a great logo. The UNI-T has a great meter. You decide what matters more. Number 3. Dark crawl spaces, tight attic runs, buried panel boxes. None of that stand a chance against 1,500 lumens strapped to your forehead. The H35 Argos places your hand torch can, leaving both hands free to actually work instead of fumble. The 660 nanometers deep red light mode is a genius addition. It protects your night vision when you're reading schematics or moving through dark environments without torching your eyesight. IPX6 waterproof, USB rechargeable, and featherlight on your head for hours. You've been working in the dark long enough. This headlamp fixes that permanently. Number 4. Bad ferrule crimps cause loose connections. Loose connections cause failures. Failures cause fires. End of discussion. Get the Preciva. The self-adjusting ratcheting jaw covers AWG28 all the way to AWG5, auto sizes to every ferrule, and locks out until the crimp is fully completed. 0 cold crimps, 0 guesswork, 0 callbacks. 1,500 assorted ferrules come included, so you're terminated and ready without a supplier run. Panel builders and automation techs have known about this tool for years. Number 5. Every other NCV tester just beeps at you and calls it a day. KAIWEETS actually shows you the signal strength percentage on an LCD display, so you know how live a wire is, not just if it's live. Dual range detection from 12V all the way to 1000V covers low voltage lighting to full industrial power in one tool. The wire breakpoint finder alone is worth the price. Run it along any cable and it pinpoints exactly where the break is hiding. Loud buzzer, bright LED, clear display. This tester protects you smarter than tools that cost twice as much. Number 6. 120 bits. Let that number sink in. Every Torx, Philips, Penelope, Tri-Wing, and proprietary format across iPhone, MacBook, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo, laptops, tablets. It's all in this single kit. Every bit is magnetic, so tiny screws stop disappearing into carpet forever. And the rotating cap handle gives you fingertip control in spaces so tight a regular driver won't fit. Hardened steel that actually holds its shape on first contact, unlike the budget sets that strip on the first Penelope. For electronics repair work alongside your electrical jobs, this set is the only answer. Number 7. Hacking through 600 MCM copper with the wrong cutter is a nightmare that ends careers and ruins blades. This ratcheting cable cutter ends that nightmare permanently. The mechanical advantage built into the ratchet mechanism means fat conductors, aluminum, copper, soft wire up to 240mm superscript 2, cut clean and square with one hand and almost no effort. Clean cuts mean solid terminal connections. Solid connections mean no callbacks. The heavy-duty steel construction will outlast a dozen cheap import cutters without complaint. One tool, Every cable. Done. Number 8. Not every job needs a hammer drill. And the SKIL Twist 2.0 is proof that sometimes the smallest tool does the most work. The pivoting head flips between inline and pistol grip positions, so you can drive screws in electrical boxes, tight conduit runs, and equipment racks where no standard drill fits. Torque control prevents stripping device plates and panel hardware, something you learn to appreciate after destroying your third cover plate. USB-C charging, 28-bit kit included, and light enough to live in your tool pouch permanently. Grab this first. Reach for the big drill only when you actually need it. Number 9. Low voltage work is on every electrical scope now. And bad RJ45 terminations will embarrass you in front of clients faster than almost anything else. The pass-through connector design lets you push conductors completely through the connector, visually confirm wire order, then crimp, eliminating the single biggest cause of failed cable tests before it happens. And everything you need in the kit to start terminating immediately. Clean terminations, 0 test failures, 0 reruns. This is how data cabling gets done right. Number 10. Dig first, ask questions later, until you hit a buried conduit at 3 feet and the whole job shuts down. This metal detector, with advanced DSP chip technology and a 12.8-inch IP68 waterproof surge coil, puts what's underground on your terms before a shovel ever touches dirt. All metal and discrimination modes let you either find everything or filter intelligently. Perfect for utility locating, pre-dig surveys, and site clearance. Deep detection, clear audio and visual feedback, and a coil that handles mud, rain, and beach environments without flinching. Know before you dig. Every single time. Number 11. That drawer full of plastic triangular scales you've been wrestling with for years? Gone. The NeoRuler replaces all of it with 93 built-in US imperial, metric, architectural, and engineering scales at the push of a button, plus infinite custom scale programming for non-standard drawings. Accuracy sits at plus or minus 0.004 inches, tighter than any manual scale you own, and the digital display reads clearly under every job site lighting condition without squinting at graduation marks. Estimators, project managers, field supervisors. Anyone who spends time on drawings will feel the difference in the first 5 minutes. Smarter tools, faster takeoffs, better bids. Number 12. If you already run Makita 18V batteries, this 800W brushless cordless router just added a serious capability to your arsenal for almost nothing. 6 speed settings, precise depth adjustment, edge guide, and roller guide included. This router handles cable raceway cuts, custom enclosure work, and finished carpentry on the same battery system you're already carrying. The brushless motor runs cool, hits hard, and lasts dramatically longer than brushed alternatives at this price point. Router bits included, so you're cutting immediately. Number 13. 479 foot-pounds of brushless torque in a package that won't break the bank. And 2 4.0 batteries come in the box, so downtime is not a conversation you're having on the job site. The 2,500 revolutions per minute motor speed drives fasteners fast, and the compact head gets into equipment rooms and electrical vaults where full-size impact wrenches give up. 6 sockets, 8 drill bits, variable speed trigger for thread protection. This kit has everything out of the box. Number 14. This one is going to make your brain do something uncomfortable, because a wireless professional 3D laser scanner at this price point should not exist. And yet here we are. 19 plus 19 crossed blue laser lines, 7 parallel lines, and VCSEL infrared structured light combine to capture room-accurate 3D models of existing installations, infrastructure, and complex environments. Marker-free, cable-free, and fast. For electricians working in BIM environments, documenting as-built conditions, or coordinating with other trades on large commercial projects. This scanner makes you the most prepared person in every meeting. Number 15. Yes, it's a meat thermometer. No, I'm not sorry, because after a 12-hour pull day, a perfect brisket is not optional. It's earned. 6 NIST-certified accurate probes, standalone base operation, Wi-Fi unlimited range, and app monitoring from anywhere on the job site. This is precision instrument engineering applied to the grill. The same standard we demand from our electrical meters. Calibrated, certified, reliable. ThermoMaven applies them to your cook. 15 gadgets. 0 premium brand tax. And your career just got a serious upgrade. Comment below. Which one are you grabbing first? And if you know a budget tool that absolutely destroys the expensive version, drop it below because I read every single one. Subscribe, because next week we're going even harder. See you there.